Oh, gosh, I'm gonna over. Oh, are you doing it?
Yes. This
Kathy,
fabulous
your
feast.
favorite, your fruit salad.
Oh God, that was good.
It's a crock piece.
Yummy dippy stuff. Chocolate
Ham
fondue.
is so tender.
All right, I might try the meatballs, so you guys have to rush me to the ER.
They smell amazing. You smell them?
They remind me of Chinese food.
I had a spoon that had
I had my card
Oh,
on there, Walk Fernandez, the card, and then I left it at home. I didn't. Not purposely. I didn't think it was funny.
Oh, the fart one?
In the salad, I didn't realize the cherry had stems. I tried to pick them all out, but there may be an occasional stem, so be on guard.
That's funny.
Iris. Hey.
Okay. Oh, this ham is so delicious.
Oh, we gotta look at the ham.
Good girl.
Okay, one. Wait.